conservative doctrine.
Totally.
It has other layers of clear plastic or whatever it is in front of it. I mean, gee whiz, we know. Look at the camera lens on its own. You start introducing more elements between the camera, the imaging block of the camera, and the image it's trying to shoot. You come up with all sorts of artifacts, reflections of something else, picking up dust or water droplets. There's so many other different things.
Also, that's like every ghost ever photographed.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
I mean,
That didn't end up too good.
Oh, they have a box. It's probably my people.
Yo, did you get that on video?
Dude, are you kidding me? God, are you kidding me? God damn it, are you me? Oh, for f***'s sake, man. Are you alright?
And heading down I-95, when all of a sudden everything slows down dramatically, like from 75 to about 15 or 20 miles an hour. I couldn't actually see why that was happening until a bit later when I saw this happen, where this car pulled in front of this Jeep and just put his brakes on, just jammed his brakes on for no apparently good reason. Which I thought was kind of odd at the time, so I hit save on the dash cam and overtook him, didn't really think too much more of it. Until a little bit later, when all of a sudden here comes our guy again, he overtakes me this time, gets in front of me, I-95, and we slow down from about 75 again to about 15, 20 miles an hour. I try to overtake him on the left, and he moves over and tries to block me. Very interesting that he still indicates, so he obviously is on autopilot. So I do what any sensible Tesla driver would do, which is I use the acceleration of the Tesla to get past him on the right, and I leave him in the dust. But I had Waze running, and Waze told me the police were up ahead. So I kept my speed down, and sure enough, here comes the guy again, pulls over in front of me, I-95, I was doing 75 miles an hour, and he gets in front of me, starts braking, and just brings me down to nothing. I mean, literally, I-95, at rush hour, brings me to a stop. Well, here's where he didn't do a smart thing. If you look on the left here, you'll see a police car over there, just waiting. And the police car's already put his lights on. At this point, our hero decides, hey, maybe I should get out of here. Well, too late for that. Look over on the left here, you'll see the police are off chasing him. I did call the police later and tell them I had all this on the dash cam. They said, don't worry about it. We've already written him a bunch of tickets.